Hey YouTubers, Steven here. How's everybody doing? Are you looking for like a lunch, brunch, breakfast kind of, idea for, some leftover sandwiches? Got some hamburger buns here that, we've got a cut from the bakery. We got leftover chicken from last night, and I got to thinking, it's like, I should use the chicken, but really feeling like eggs. So I thought, hey, 2 chicken sandwiches. So I figured that'd be kind of a good idea, because one chicken's the egg and the other chicken's from last night's dinner, so 2 chickens. So let me cut the buns, and we'll get the toaster oven warmed up and get the frying pan on, and show you what I have. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some mayo on, just on the bottom. Not a lot, but some. You want that moisture on the bottom for the chicken. Alright. And then our chicken is shredded up, something like pulled pork. So, we're just going to load it on. Oh, sorry about that. I have our toaster oven pre-toasting. I have the little toaster oven preheating 400, and the eggs are just about ready to go down too. So we're going to pop the eggs on the frying pan, and then we're going to throw this in the toaster, and then we'll be back. I always break the yolk when I do the fried eggs. Just try and control a little bit. I'll have to cut the eggs for the 2 sandwiches, but not a biggie. Alright. These are ready. They look good. Oh, now I'm going to put a little more mayonnaise on the top of these. I know some people would probably put it on and then toast it. Your choice. But on the bottom it helps keep the moisture in the chicken. Fried egg. Second chicken. Ready to be eaten. Oh buddy. Doesn't that look delicious? Like, oh yeah. Normally this is where I actually take a bite and tell you how good it is, but I already made one, and my kids saw it, and I loved it so much, and they wanted one so bad, so I'm not going to take a bite of theirs. But it's really interesting. You get egg and you get chicken, and it's like the 2 fight back and forth, because you get the flavors back and forth. You'll get the chicken, then you'll get the egg, and vice versa as you eat it. It's really good, so give it a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, be hungry.